We will see that practically one by one. Okay. So first method was inserting images from file. Okay. So first step what we have to do is open a new document. Okay. New document is been opened. So now first step using from file. Okay. First step is go to insert tab. In the insert tab we have images option. Then where you had saved the images, that particular location you have to visit. You have to write like this only. Click on from file option and select the images from the location where you have downloaded the files or images. Then I had downloaded it in the desktop. In this pictures folder I had downloaded the images. Then in this I will choose one particular image, then open. Understood? Like this is the first method. You know practically how to do, but you should be able to write this in sentences. That is important. Write the steps to insert the image. Question will come. What steps you will write? Open the new document. Go to insert a tab, choose images option from the menu, then select click on from file option and choose the images from the location where you have downloaded it and click on open. The image will be inserted on the document. Like this you have to write. Similarly for all the other questions, frame the sentence from your own side and write what you are doing practically. Okay, that is the trick how to score good marks in IT subject. Okay, so now second method was what? Through scanner. Okay, now we don't have scanner connected to the system. If you connect the scanner, it will come in the scanners folder. Then from the scanners folder, you can download it in the blank document. Next third step was what? Through gallery. Okay, so that is very easy. Place the cursor where you want to insert the image. Cursor is the vertical flashing line. Okay, then go to gallery option from the sidebar here. Just below the styles option, you have the gallery option. In the sidebar, click on it and you can see the various images. So many images we have. Choose which image or which flowchart you want and insert it. For example, if I choose this one, right click here on that image, right click on that image, then click on insert. Okay, and drag it so that it is visible. Understood? Like this way we add images from the gallery. Isn't it so easy? Right? Yes, this is all there. This is only there in your lesson. What in the syllabus. All these steps are there. Okay. So next, what is the remaining last method? From drawing tool. Okay. So from drawing tool, as I can see, there is no drawing tool present here. There is no drawing tool. Okay. Drawing tool will have what? Shapes. So how to make it visible? Go to View tab. In this tools bar, then here you have to choose a drawing option and you can see here the drawing tools has come. Go to View tab. In the View tab you have to select a tools bar option from the sub menu. That after clicking the view menu, a box will come. No, name of that box is sub menu. In that sub menu, click on tools bar option, then another sub menu will come. Okay, from there you have to choose what? Drawing option. Click on it, then this image will come. Clear? Check, has it come? Yes, fine, good. So that is only called as drawing tool. Through drawing tool we can draw shapes. Okay? Yes. Now next topic is using drag and drop method. How to insert images using drag and drop method. Okay. So this is a blank page. In this I want to insert one image using drag and drop method. First open this document. And keep. Then what you have to do? open that document, open that folder where the images are saved. It is saved in desktop pictures folder. Open both the documents. First, which one you have to open? Where you want to insert. Where you want to insert? In the blank page. Open that first. Then afterwards, open the folder where the images are present. That is step number 2. Step number 1 is what? Open the blank page. Step number 2 is what? Open the folder where the images are present. Then third step, drag it to that image and leave it here with the left mouse button. Okay, I'll show it once again. Place the cursor here, go to the folder where the images are present, choose which image you want to drag and drop. For example, if I want to drag and drop this image, select that, left button keep holding without leaving, don't release the button, left button, single time you press, then drag it, move it to the folder of LibreOffice, don't leave again, then leave it on the blank page. Understood? This is the drag and drop method. Clear? Try all of you. Try now only. Go open a new page and try. Main is practicing is main. Okay. You should be able to practice. You should be able to drag and drop. Understood? Are you able to do it? Okay. Then next method is using copy and paste method. Okay. See that also. Later you can do it. This one you understood? Can we move to the next topic, next step? Next step is using cut, copy and paste. How to copy and paste the image. Okay, here is the cursor blinking, image will start coming from here. So what I will do, I will go to the folder where the images are present. Cut, copy and paste method. Write the steps inserting the image using cut, copy and paste method. Like this question will come. For that what you have to do? Open the blank document. Go to the folder where the images are present, select the image which you want to insert, then you can use two methods. First method is using keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C is copy. Okay. Another method is from the mouse. Here only copy option is there. Copy folder icon will be there, click on the copy icon or Ctrl+C you can press. Then go to the blank document, click there and press Ctrl+V. V is for pasting, like this, and image will be inserted on the blank document. Like this you have to write. Clear? Next we have using picture toolbar. Picture toolbar, when it will come? When you select any particular image, picture toolbar will come. This only. This is called as picture toolbar. Where is picture toolbar? I will ask in the practical exam. Where is drawing toolbar? I will ask. Drawing toolbar is here. How to identify? See the shapes. Rectangle, curved rectangle, square, ellipse, circle, triangle, right angle triangle, and so on. Emojis, callouts, hangouts, all are here. Understanding? That is drawing toolbar. What is picture toolbar? Picture toolbar is used to filter the image, crop the image, change the settings of the image. That is, this is picture toolbar. Now last topic is related to this bar only. Okay, we will discussing this toolbar, then this lesson will be over. Understanding? So easy, so simple, right? Yes. You came to know what is picture toolbar. Can you see it? Is it coming on the screen? Has it come? Click on the picture, it will come. Okay. In that two options are there. First one is default option. Second one is image filter option. Two options are there. Okay. We will see both the options one by one. By using this option, you can change the color settings of the image. For example, we have three types of settings. Gray scale. If I click on gray scale, just click and see what effect is happening. The picture will be changed to gray color. Right? Yes. Then click on it again. Click on default, it will come back to the original image. Clear? Next is click on black and white. The image will turn to black and white. Check. Go to default. option and click on black and white. Is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So what is the name of this option? Name of this option is image mode. Remember, all of you. Image mode. Remember this option name. Where is image mode? I will ask. The default options where you are getting default grayscale, black and white, watermark. That option is only called as image mode. Okay. Now try using watermark. Make it default. Try watermark. Okay. And you can see it will become like in your printed notes, the watermark of the college or school name you can see, right? Yes, that effect will come. Understanding? Like that way you can put whatever image you want as a watermark. Clear? This is called as image mode. Remember, okay? Next we have image filter. This is image filter. This is image filter. In this image filter, this is extremely very important part, okay, because image correction, noise removal, polarization, solarization, everything is done using image filter. Okay, so first option is what? First option we have invert. This is invert. Invert. Click on the image, click on the filter option, click on invert and see the effect. Okay, see the effect. Click on this invert. What will happen? The colors are there, no? That will get reversed. If the color number is 1, it will become -1. Each color has a specific code. Okay, each color has a code because computer understands a binary language, code word language. The code word will be reversed. For that color, what is opposite of that? That inverted colors will come here. Okay, this will be there in infrared scanning usually. Whenever, in the military people or the defense people will use this infrarange scanning. There they will see what are the hidden obstacles present. Measuring heat temperature, that hidden obstacles will show different color. Okay, so there it is used. Then come back to normal. Okay, just click on it once again, it will come back to original image. So this is called as invert. Remember the name? This is called as invert. Okay. Next we have smooth. Smooth is used to soften the contrast of the image. What is contrast of the image? Contrast means what? Sharpness. The sharpness, how much sharp it is, how much bright the colors will reflect. That is called as contrast. So it will softens your color contrast. And this dialog box will come, smooth dialog box. If you press the below arrow mark, the number will reduce. If you click the above arrow mark, number will increase. And like that way you can adjust according to your requirement. Understood? Contrasting. Clear? After soften we have sharpen. Sharpen means to increase, sharpen the contrast of the image. How we can increase the sharpness of the image, contrast of the image. Okay. So next we have remove noise. Removing noise means what? In the image, what is the image made up of? Paragraph is made up of characters, letters. How is image made up of? Pixels. Image is made up of pixel. Pixel is a unit of measurement of image. When you zoom the image, you will see small dots. That all that image is made up of that small dots. Each dot is called as an pixel. Understanding? In the photograph, sometimes that iris color will be changed. Brown, white. It will look very odd, right? So that is extra pixels. And sometimes in image, it will not be so much clear. Blurred image will come. So that is all called as noise. Noise in the image. So that also we can remove. We can make the image look clear. Understanding? By removing extra pixels. These extra pixels will make the image blur. Extra pixels will make the image blur. So that also we can remove. Okay. Next we have solarization. This is very important.
In LibreOffice Writer, the solarization filter creates an effect where colors are partially inverted, similar to what happens in traditional photography when a print is overexposed.
Okay, so you can try all these filters one by one. Next we have aging. So what thought will come in your mind when you listen to the word aging? Aging in photography means what? So have you seen those images which are very old and we can make them look new, and some images which are anger, which seems to be anger, we can make them appear like very old. That difference you can think, right? So that is done using aging effect. Or we can make the person look very old by increasing or decreasing the percentage. That is called as aging effect. Okay? Yes. Next we have posterize. So posterize effect, it will make your image look like a painting. It will make your image look like a something someone has painted, has done the painting. Okay? Just try that, it's very fun and very nice. Increase the percentage and see. Right? Someone has done the painting using brushes manually, it will appear like that. That is called as posterize. Remember the names and the effect, what they will give. Okay? Posterize means it will give the painting effect. Okay? Next we have pop art. It will modify the picture dramatically. Okay? Just go to the filter option, pop art. Okay? Go to filter, then click on pop art. It will change the view of the image drastically. Inbuilt one function is there. If you require this kind of effect in the image, you can use this effect. Otherwise, there is no need of using this. Okay, if you want to use this effect somewhere in the image or related document, you can use it. Next we have charcoal effect. It will display the image as a charcoal sketch. Okay, this pen-like structure is called as a charcoal sketch, like a sketch pen. Okay, it is a charcoal sketch. Click on it, and this is the charcoal effect we call. Okay, try in your systems and check it. As you go on clicking again and again, it will convert more and more to charcoal effect. Okay. Okay. Next, what do we have? We have a relief effect. We will see how it will work.
In LibreOffice Writer, the relief filter is an image that gives a 3D embossed look to a picture, making it appear raised or carved by creating shadows and highlights.
Undo button you can press and come back to the previous effect. Okay. Next we have mosaic. It will join the groups of pixels into a single area of one color. A group of pixels will be joined to a particular area. Okay.
It breaks an image into small colored square blocks or rectangular blocks.
By default, what is the settings? It will display that number and you can change the numbers according to your requirement. Okay. Group of pixels, you can shift it into one particular color. Okay. Fine. This is about filters.
So in the next class, we will study about various tools used in drawing toolbar and various tools used in drawing object properties toolbar.